5 with the score that's leading this competition now, so this is going to be a nail biter. Oh, and
床は注目です。ルドルフから入ってきて
Well, it's just non-stop. Unbelievable work.
First time we've ever seen her do it like this, first time she's ever done it like this, as she told us, just went straight up and down, didn't quite get that rotation she needed.
That's 2 flips with 3 complete twists. There have been some men that do it, but it's like less than a handful. And when she does it right, as she's going to do in probably about 30 seconds here, it is unreal and as well done as anybody, man or woman, has competed in.
And here we go, right off the bat, the very first tumbling pass. Triple twisting, double back.
money!
Just keep making history, Simone Biles.
And that's history, folks. Absolutely.
Thank you.
First female competitor to ever do a triple twisting double somersault successfully in competition. She did it one other time. That's the only other person who's ever even tried it in competition. 3 times around with a double back flip. She was wondering if she went out of bounds. You see right there, she didn't.
Forget just gymnastics. How many things in all of sports are more impressive to watch than that?
Yeah, I don't know. I really don't know of any. To be perfectly honest, I'm obviously biased, but...
And you know, a few years ago, I feel like if someone would have told me that anybody would be doing this skill, even in training on a hard floor, I would have not believed them. But if anybody can do it, obviously it's Simone Biles.